Do you know how to vacuum your home properly? Hey, Tori here with Toth.com, the place for me to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So poor vacuuming can leave a ton of dirt and dust on your floor, ultimately ruining your carpet. Not to mention, your home can begin to smell and indoor allergies can get worse, and those high traffic areas will never come clean. Before you start vacuuming, start by picking up toys, pet beds, and small furniture cluttering the floor to make it easier to maneuver the machine around the room. Next, dust the room from top down. This helps collect dust and trap it throughout the entire space. Of course, check the machine to make sure the suction is sufficient and that the dust basket is empty. Also, make sure the vacuum head is on the right height of the floor. This will help easily pick up debris. Start by cleaning the base of the walls and unmovable furniture by using the crevice attachment. Don't forget to get under raised furniture as well with your floor attachment. Vacuum yourself into the room over high traffic areas, then back out. If possible, work from left to right across the room, then turn and work from a right angle, so you're cleaning the fibers from every direction. You should try and vacuum high traffic areas in your home at least once a week, more if you have kids and pets living with you. Also, don't forget to schedule seasonally shampooings to make sure that your carpet stays nice, fresh, and clean. For more home cleaning tips, make sure you go check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe below, get social with us, and for all of our home tips, visit us at www.toriToth.com. Until next time, happy cleaning.